Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. I know I've been away for a while, but now I am back now. I am back again. So before then, I'd like to thank my subscribers. I'm grateful. And please, if you are new here and you're watching this video, or you've been watching my video, you don't want to subscribe, why now? Because please subscribe to this channel so that we grow together and I'll never disappoint you. So today I would like to introduce you to my business, my fresh unbugged business. So I'll be going into hair pieces, meaning hair for braids. So that's my new business now. So I have all hair colors, the one that you want to use for braiding your hair. I know this is Christmas and everybody wants to look that beautiful. So these are the hair. I have different colors. If you are interested, you want, because I know you'll be braiding your hair, my ladies. So the hair is available for bulk purchase, and if you want individual purchase too. So my number is 0247139728. You can contact me on that number and also WhatsApp me on that number. Yes, I'll be glad to receive you. See you next time. Bye.